Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can remove PayPal button from your cart page. So in the previous video I already removed those buttons from the product page. So in this video I will be showing you step by step that how you can add a simple code to remove these buttons from your cart page, right? So you can see that below this checkout button you have Shop Pay, Google Pay and PayPal button, right? So there are, in some cases, people are not interested to show these buttons here. So if you are also thinking that these buttons should be removed from here, so let me show you a simple code that you have to add into your cart page template file. So from there the buttons would automatically be removed, right? Automatically be hidden as well, right? So first of all, let me show you the dashboard. So you can see that once you are entering into your dashboard of Shopify, and when you will be clicking on online store, then you will be getting this screen once you are clicking on themes, right? So you have currently I have debut theme installed. So let me click on actions. So once you are clicking on this drop down, you will be getting an option of edit code. So you have to click on that one. So once the page is loading completely, then you will be redirected to some folders and files where you can do some customizations in code, right? So you have to wait for a while, and once this is opened completely, then you will be getting some folders and files. So currently I have the sections folder. In some cases you will be getting that cart-template.liquid file in the templates folder itself, but in this theme we have the same file in sections folder, right? So you can see that in the sections folder we have cart-template.liquid file. You have to click on this one, and here we will be adding some code. So let me show you one thing. Currently you can see that below the checkout button I have these PayPal buttons. So I have also created one more video where I have shown you that how you can remove the checkout button as well. So I will be adding the link into the below description, so you have to follow that video, and definitely you will be able to remove that button as well. So currently I am interested to remove these PayPal button as well as the other payment methods button. So first of all, you need to right click on this PayPal button and you will be getting an option of inspect. So click on that one. So you have to scroll it up, and once you are clicking on that one, then you will be redirected to this specific element. So this is actually the PayPal button, but I am interested to remove this whole thing. So I have to click on this inspector. So once you are clicking on this inspector, then you will be getting this type of this is individual button, this is also an individual button, this is individual, but once you are hovering over this element, then this whole line would be represented, right? So you have to click on this one, and once you will be clicking, then you will be getting this type of div. So above this we will have few other things like this one, right? So this is the actual genuine div which we are interested to remove. So here we have additional checkout buttons. So this is the class name. So I'm interested to copy this one. So you have to double click this one, and this is automatically selected, and then you have to right click and copy this class name, which is additional dash checkout dash buttons, and then you need to paste it on the top of this file. So first of all, you need to add here some style, style, and that style must be enclosed in angular bracket, and then you have to add another style tag, style. This is closing tag. So inside of it I am interested to paste, but you have to add the dot because dot is representing the class name, and then you have to add the curly braces. So open and close curly braces, and inside of it I will be adding the CSS property. So that CSS property is display none, NONE, and then you have to add another thing, sign of exclamation, and then important, IMPORTANT, and then semicolon. Alright, so this is the code that we have to add on the top of this file, then you need to click on save, and let me refresh this page once again. So you can see that if I will be refreshing this page, so you can see that those buttons has been removed from here. Alright, so we can get rid of these PayPal button and other payment methods by adding a simple code which I have just told you that how you need to copy and just paste onto the top of your cart-template.liquid file. Alright, so this is the one thing. Another thing is, like for example, you are interested to remove the checkout button as well. So how I will be doing that one? You need to right click and click on inspect, and again you will be getting this specific type of input element, and you can see that this is input type element name equal to checkout, right? So if you are interested to remove this one as well, so how you will be removing this one is, like I need to mention the another CSS, which is like I have input element, and in the input element name is name equals to checkout, and then we have curly braces open and curly braces close, and inside of it again you have to copy and paste this same property, so that is display none important, right? So let me save this one and let me refresh this page again. So you can see that the same button has been removed from the cart page as well. So in this way you can remove the checkout button as well as the PayPal button from your Shopify store, right? So this is really simple if you will be observing deeply. So if you are still thinking that this is tough for you because this is the coding part, and if you are thinking that this is little tough for you or maybe difficult, so you can ask me the question on the WhatsApp. I will be adding the contact details below in the description. So definitely I will be helping you out with chatting with you, and you know that in some cases you have different themes, so maybe there is some different CSS, so at that moment you need to contact me and I will be checking your theme, and accordingly I will be sending you a small code, and you need to add that code on the top in the same way just like I added, and definitely this would be helpful for you to remove that checkout button or maybe PayPal button without knowing any type of coding. All right, so you need not bother about the developer, that you have to contact to the developer or you have to pay some amount to other people, because this is simple. If you are not if you are not sure about the coding, then still you can copy and paste the things and do the stuff by your own, right? So this is really simple. So if you are new on this channel, just subscribe this channel and like this video as well. So in the coming videos I will be solving a lot of other problems, so definitely you have to watch all the previous videos. You have to go to the channel, and I have solved a lot of Shopify issues, and I have also explored a lot of content which is useful for you as well. So once again, thanks for watching. So see you in the next video.